Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Mighty Grow Nursery's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be finding our roots by learning how to plant some corn seeds. First thing you're going to need is a pot filled with soil, but for the purposes of this video we're just using a pot. So you can plant it anywhere outside in an open area. These particular corn seeds that we're going to plant today require full sun. Also, you're going to need some water. We're using this lovely pink watering can. You're also going to need, obviously very important, your corn seeds. And then you're also going to need your compost and your bone meal. You can purchase your compost or bone meal or your seeds at any nursery. Seeds can also be purchased at any supermarket or wherever you may find seeds. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to work in our compost into our soil. Compost doesn't normally come in little pots like this. They come in big bags, but we're going to sprinkle our compost into our pot, and then we're going to nicely incorporate the compost into the soil. Spread it around nicely, make sure it's evenly distributed throughout your pot. And then after you've mixed it in nicely, you're just going to level out the soil. After you've leveled out your soil, you're going to take your corn seeds, and on the back of these corn seeds, the packet, they give you instructions on how to plant them, where to plant them, in what conditions to plant them. And if the back of the packet does not tell you these things, you can always come and look at our videos. We're here to teach you. The good rule of thumb, especially for these seeds, because the packet requires them to be planted 2 centimeters below the surface of the soil, is to just use this tip of your finger to make a small little hole 20 centimeters apart in the pot. And so we're going to make a nice little hole here, a nice little hole here, another one over here. Then we're going to plant our seeds into each of these holes, and we're just going to fill them up by taking the soil from different corners of the pot. I'm just going to pat them down, not too tightly. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of water to the pot. And lastly, we're going to sprinkle no more than just the palm of your hand filled with bone meal. You're going to break it up nicely in your hand, and you're just going to give it a little sprinkle across the pot. And lastly, just one final pour of water. And you're going to leave this pot in full sun condition, and they're going to germinate in 7 to 10 days, and you'll have lovely little corn plants. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. And if you are ever in Vanderbijl Park, please visit Mighty Grow Nursery.